Today I'm going to show you all how to make this 30-minute curry meal. Curried coconut boneless chicken thighs is a delicious dish that combines tender chicken thighs with the rich flavors of curry and coconut milk. Alright, so the first step is to season our thighs. Here we have boneless thighs that I cut into 1-inch pieces. It's already been washed, all the excess liquid drained off. So we're going in with some salt and black pepper, green seasoning. We will be sure to include the link to our green seasoning recipe, and some curry powder. We just want to give this a good mix, massage all these ingredients into our boneless chicken thighs. And now is a good time to mention our sponsor. Today's episode is sponsored by Quartz, along with our entire kitchen, all the appliances supplied by Quartz, so big up Quartz. Alright, so once we get this all mixed up well, ideally, for best results, you could go ahead and season this the night before, or just let it sit for about 1 or 2 hours before we go to the stove. Yeah, so we're just gonna cover this up and then get ready to go over to the stove. Alright, so here we have a medium-sized pot over medium heat, going in with some mustard oil. A good substitute is coconut oil. Right, next we're going in with some Methi seeds or Fenugreek seeds and whole Cumin seeds or Geera seeds. Again, we're going in with some onion, pimento, and ginger. And then mix up your ingredients, get them well incorporated. We want to cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to be adding our minced garlic. Get that mixed in. Next, we're going to be adding some hydrated curry powder. So you need to turn your heat on up to high. Stir in your thighs, get it all mixed up with the onion, pimento, and curry mixture. We're gonna cover it, leave it on high heat, and let the natural juices from the thighs begin to cook out, allow the fat to start to render and break down. We're not adding any liquid as yet. We wanna cook the thighs in its natural juices first. Alright, 5 minutes has passed. Let's check on our thighs. So you see how much liquid it sprung? We didn't add any liquid to that. Look at how much liquid it sprung. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add in our coconut milk. Alright, drop the heat down to about medium, and we're gonna cover it and let it cook for another 5 minutes, and after that, it's just to taste and add a few more things. Alright, let's check it again. Our thighs are fully cooked. Now is when you could just taste your sauce, if it has enough salt, if you need to add any more salt. And if you have enough sauce, some people like this sauce a little thicker than others. So if you like it a little thicker than this, you just leave it uncovered and let it continue to cook until the sauce has reached your desired thickness. If it has reached your desired thickness, you just switch off the heat. And I'm adding in some sliced tomato and freshly chopped Chadon Beni. You also have this stove and all the other appliances you see in the kitchen here, we got at Quartz, and we'll be sure to include the links to each appliance in the description below.